Hello everyone and welcome to Pendulum Easily, and I welcome you here for this section on vocabulary. And in today's session, the article that we've taken for you is this, which heads as "What about WHO on failures of containment of COVID-19?" Like they are asking a question, what now is the take of WHO कि वो क्या कहना चाह रहे हैं when there are multiple failures when it comes to the containment of this virus, that is coronavirus, or you can say the COVID. So first of all, failures we all know. I don't have to mention the meaning of it, but it is a noun here, working as a noun. When I talk about containment, containment also is noun, and containment is, I would say, the process or the act of controlling something, or you can say keeping something within the boundaries. ठीक, किसी चीज पर whenever you apply some sort of restriction and you try to control it, रोक लगाना, right? That is containment. So what is the take of WHO now? WHO seems to be at the mercy of powerful nations while obtaining relevant information. Now, what this sentence says, it states that now WHO is at the mercy of powerful nations. This means that whatever the powerful nations are discovering about the virus is what WHO is depending upon. Okay, if you see mercy, mercy is or I would say an abstract subject or abstract noun, and this means having some sort of dependency in terms of mercy. Okay, कहते हैं ना दया भावना, तो वो कह रहे हैं कि पावरफुल नेशंस उन पर जितनी दया करते, that is the sort of that ample of information they would have. So कह रहे while obtaining relevant information, जब भी relevant information की जरूरत पड़ती है, जब भी हमें उचित information की जरूरत पड़ती है, this is an adjective which means something that is important, something that is valuable. So whenever we need this sort of information, our WHO is depending on the powerful nations, whatever discovery they do, whatever things they are able to reveal. Okay, so this is what WHO depends on, and that is what it is further providing us. In a bid to cover up his own failures. Now, cover up is again a noun, and it means the act of trying not to let the discovery or information be disclosed. मतलब आप किसी चीज को अगर छुपाने की कोशिश कर रहे हो, मतलब आप उसे कवर अप कर रहे हो, ठीक है? So this is what WHO is trying. वो अपने failures को छुपाने की, cover up करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं. And limit the number of deaths in the country. US President Donald Trump has been accusing China. Accusing is a verb, okay? It means to charge someone of something, like something wrong, some wrongdoing when we talk about, okay? तो किसी पर जब आप कोई आरोप लगाते हो, that is accuse. So accusing China of secrecy, deception and cover-up in the outbreak, and the World Health Organization of being China-centric. Now, it says Donald Trump has quoted that, first of all, China has been accused of secrecy, cover-up and deception, number one, and WHO is accused of supporting China and being China-centric there. So in this outbreak, that is, when I talk about outbreak, it is a noun again here, and outbreak, we all know it is some sort of pandemic. It can be a disease or it can be something else as well. It doesn't have to be a disease anyhow, but it can be some sort of chaos then also it would be the same. That is an outbreak. Mr. Trump could not have known it, but there is now evidence that WHO had not been fully transparent during the early stages of the outbreak in Wuhan. And China had indeed been more opaque than already known. Now they say that China had been more opaque than already known. Opaque is an adjective which means unclear, right? It had been unclear, as we all know that China had been this way in the past as well, but this time it was more opaque than already known. Okay, and WHO on the other hand was supporting it directly or indirectly, because it was not giving us the real pictures of the early stages when the outbreak was there in Wuhan. If WHO gave an impression that on December 31 China had alerted it, the June 29 revised timeline, the timeline is nothing but the time, I would say, the graphical representation, okay, of the time plan to be followed, or the deadline to be followed. Okay, that is the graphical representation of the world body clarifies the facts to a great degree. So they are saying that जो timeline है world body का, वो इन सारी चीजों को और भी clearly हमें picture show करता है. WHO's country office in China had apparently been alerted by a media statement. Now, apparently is an adverb. Okay, I'm writing it down here. Apparently is an adverb which means something that as clear as can be seen, जैसा कि देखा जा रहा है या जैसा कि महसूस किया जा रहा है. So according to that it is that, okay, या आप कह सकते हो something जो हम हिंदी में कहते हैं कि ऐसा तो है, like जाहिर तौर पर अगर देखा जाए तो ऐसा ही है. So this here the WHO's country office in China had apparently been alerted by a media statement by the Wuhan Municipal Health Commission about cases of viral pneumonia as well. So this is another thing that has come to fore now. When I say come to fore is an idiom which means to become available or to show up. जो चीज सामने दिखने लग गई है, जो चीज सामने आ गई है, that has come to fore. Okay. Moving ahead, it says, it got the same news from another dependent source too. China confirmed to WHO of the cluster of cases. Now, when I say cluster, it is a noun which means group of maybe similar things, or it can be dissimilar also. You have to remember that it is a group, okay? किसी चीज का जो ग्रुप होता है, हिंदी में आप कहते हो समूह, right? Cluster of cases of viral pneumonia of unknown cause on January 3, only after the global body twice reached out to the Chinese authorities on January 1 and 2. Following the confirmation, WHO on January 4 tweeted to say, China has reported to WHO a cluster of pneumonia cases with no deaths in Wuhan. This is what the Hubei province has also quoted, like further. Also, if the earlier timeline had mentioned that on December 31, a novel coronavirus was eventually identified. When I say novel, now this novel, I am writing it here. Novel here is not a noun, here it is an adjective. As a noun, novel is the book that we read, okay? But as an adjective, novel means something that is new or unusual. Okay, something that is new or unusual, वो novel होता है. So, novel coronavirus was eventually identified as the cause of pneumonia cases. The revised information posted on the WHO website mentions that the cause of illness was not known till January 2. Now, see, December 31, this, I would say this proclamation or this thing was identified, but they didn't even proclaim it. They till January 2, it was stated that this is just because of pneumonia, and there is no cause, like the cause behind it is not known. And China did not confirm novel coronavirus as the cause even on January 3, when it confirmed a cluster of pneumonia cases. And till the date, that is January 3, it didn't confirm about it. It didn't actually disclose the cause behind it. At least on 3 occasions, including on January 30, when the health emergency of international concern was declared, WHO had publicly praised China for its commitment to transparency. Now, January 30 tak, jab these things were coming up, the cluster of cases that were coming up about it, and when health emergency was declared, then too WHO praised China for being transparent. When I say transparency, it is a noun. It means to be honest and clear. ठीक है, साफ और clear, या आप कह सकते हो सच्चा, that is honest. Moving ahead, it further says, while it also said that China was setting a new standard for outbreak response and called the quick sharing of whole genome sequence data. Genome is nothing but the, I would say, the biological substance, okay, of the virus as very impressive. Independent investigation revealed. It is a verb which means it showed. Dikhana, right? A different situation. It showed us a different situation. China was not very forthcoming. मतलब पहले से, this is an adjective, it was not forthcoming. Like it was not prepared as earlier. ठीक है, like वो पहले से ये सब चीजें आपको नहीं बताना चाहते थे. It was not forthcoming at all, or it was not at all prompt in its efforts. The world knew of human-to-human transmission in China only on January 20, and the global body was often kept in the dark. When I say kept in the dark, it means it was kept secret. It was kept secret from others. So the global body, which means the WHO, was often kept in the dark. Scientific evidence. Evidence is a noun which means a proof. Okay, किसी चीज का सबूत जो होता है. So it says scientific evidence strongly suggests that the outbreak began at least by early November. Apparently, WHO had to keep praising China so that it shared information. Now, this was WHO's, you can say some sort of, we say na, उनका मजबूरी था कि उनको ऐसा करना पड़ा. They had to praise China so that they keep on getting the information. This is surely powerful nations cannot be allowed to endanger lives around the world by shirking responsibility. Now they say that though, okay, fine, if we accept it or we take it that WHO was not, or it was actually forced into, or was like supposed to, or had to praise China just because it keeps on sharing the relevant information with WHO. On the contrary, it is said that powerful nations are not allowed, or they cannot be allowed to actually play around the lives of people or endanger the lives by shirking responsibility. Shirking means, it is a verb, it means by neglecting their responsibilities. Okay. China was evidently refused to learn lessons from the disastrous handling of 2002 SARS outbreak. The current pandemic continues to infect millions, killing more than 530,000 and destroying livelihoods and the world economy. At least some of the impact could have been lessened, like reduced. This is again a verb. By more proactive action. Proactive is an adjective which means more vigilant and prior. लाइक पहले से जाना हो, अगर हम करते, अगर प्रोएक्टिव होते, ये नहीं कि हम सिचुएशन का वेट करें वर्स होने का, अगर बिफोर हैंड द एक्शन वुड हैव टेकन ऑन पार्ट ऑफ चाइना and by less reverential attitude on the part of WHO. Reverential attitude here means जो रेवरेंस उन्होंने, जो रिस्पेक्ट जो चाइना को शो कर रहे थे, अगर उससे बेटर कोई और एटीट्यूड या कोई और तरीका उन्होंने अपनाया होता, देन इट वुड हैव बीन वे बेटर एंड द impact would have been reduced or would have been lessened if these actions were taken into concern, and such I would say better action would have been taken into being. So this was the entire thing, and again, if you see, whenever we reach the end of an article or whenever we come to the last part, you yourself can judge that okay, we are reaching the concluding part, and the conclusion is on the whole given on the entire situation, taking a holistic approach or a view, or giving a bird's eye view to us, right? So this was the entire article based on the pandemic and WHO and China's relationship that has been running throughout since the very beginning till the very end, that we still till date have been experiencing. Now, when it comes to the words and the phrases that we've discussed here, I believe that you would be working on the synonyms and antonyms for the same. Also, the word of the day that I would give you for today would be would be this, that is novel, because novel as can work in two ways, one as a noun and one as an adjective. अभी जब दो parts of speech है तो it has two different usages. As a noun it is the book that we tend to read, and as an adjective it is something new or unusual. So for you it would be like to frame your own sentences and comment us and let us know. You can mail us if you have any queries. You can visit the site and practice ample of practice sets that we have. So I hope that you guys would practice and grow and learn. Thank you so much. I shall see you soon in the next session. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel for more such sessions.